Hello guys and welcome to this Magiclight AI tutorials for beginners. If you have played with AI video tools like Sora or Runway, you know the frustration. They look great, but they only give you 4 seconds of video. You cannot tell a story with 4 seconds. This is where Magiclight AI comes into play. In 2025, this tool has exploded because it solves the two biggest problems in AI video: consistency and length. It claims that it can generate up to 30 minutes of video where the main character actually looks the same in every single scene. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to use it, and we're going to build a complete animated short film for a faceless YouTube channel from scratch, from script to final export. I have actually left a link in the description that is going to get you, a free trial so that you can start on Magiclight. So yeah, just click that, open it, and let's dive into it. Okay, so as you can see guys, this is what the dashboard looks like. This is actually pretty amazing. It looks beautiful. But before we make the video, we need our main star, okay? And for this, we actually need to come to the character menu in here, okay? There's multiple menus, just come to the character one. This is the secret sauce. In other tools, if you type a girl twice, you get two different people. But here we're going to define our character once, and the AI is going to try to maintain consistency. So I'm just going to go to AI character for a second. I'm going to name this character, Maya. And I'm just going to give this particular, character prompt, which is going to be young woman, futuristic pilot jacket, blue hair, confident expression. And what you can also do is you can try to expand this prompt with AI. I'm going to try and see what it does, but maybe I'm just going to keep it like this. Okay, this actually looks amazing, but I'm going to cancel it and I'm going to keep it like the original prompt. And let's try that. Now for the different models, you can choose between 1.0, 2.2, and 2.0. I'm going to select 2.0 actually. By the way, the models that you're going to see in here or different character styles are going to depend on what model you select, okay? So keep that in mind. For these, I'm just going to select 3D Cartoon 2.0 and I'm going to click on Generate. Let's go. And now it's going to start to generate it. Okay, so this only took like a couple of minutes to generate, and I like this version, so I'm going to click on Apply. You can choose between a private upload or a public upload. Okay, I'm going to keep it private in my case. And what's going to happen now, guys, is that Magiclight will look into this phase for the entire movie that we create, okay? And you can even upload a photo of yourself if you want to be the star. Now, let's build the movie. For this, I'm just going to click on Story to Video. And what are we going to do, guys? We're just going to paste our script. In my case, what I'm going to do is I'm going to give this a prompt. Now let's talk about the different modes. You have your basic script, which you can paste like a literal script that you have created, maybe like a full script, and the AI is going to generate the story with it, okay? But the most interesting option is the smart script. Here, what you're going to do is you're going to paste a prompt, okay, or like a short script or a short description of the story, and the AI is going to try to refine on it and improve it and expand upon it. Once again, you can click on expand with AI. Let's see if it does a better job now. Okay, this is very good actually. I'm gonna confirm this. Now let's select the aspect ratio, which is gonna be in my case landscape. The beta language is gonna be English. The story model, I'm gonna keep the ChatGPT 4, and let's give it now 3D Cartoon 2.0. Okay, it's very important that you actually choose the same style of the character that you created, okay, to give the best results. The duration I'm going to keep to auto, and I'm going to click on next. Now it's going to start to basically analyze the story. It doesn't make the video yet, but it's going to try to give us our visual storyboard. Now look, it's giving us a summary of all of the different scenes, okay? Scene 1, scene 2, scene 3. And then what you can do is you can edit these things, okay? So if we click on this little button here, we can select like, different name, the time of the day, the space, and the weather. And you can also give it like a description to even help the AI to make it the way you want to make it. You can even delete certain scenes if you don't like them. But yeah, in my opinion, this is quite perfect. So I'm just gonna click on next. This is gonna take 85 credits, and it's gonna last 1.25 minutes. So not bad at all. And look, guys, it actually detected my character, okay? or at least a very similar character to the one that we created before. If you want to add one of your characters, and if it doesn't detect your own, you can just click on here, and then you can just click on my character, and here it is, okay? Here's Maya, okay? So yeah, in any case, I'm gonna keep it like this because I quite like it. So I'm gonna click on next, and now it's gonna start to generate. This can take quite a bit depending if you are on the VIP highway or not. But okay, it doesn't take so long actually. It's 10% and it's only be like, 10, 15 seconds already. So this is actually quite nice. So I think it's gonna take me a couple of minutes to generate this 1 minute and 30 seconds video. Now everything has been generated, guys. As you can see, we have 17 storyboards and you can animate each of them, okay, as you can see. Or what you can do is you can click on next and you can click on animate all, which is what I'm gonna do actually, okay? For me, all of these images look pretty good, but if you don't want something, or you wanna remove or you wanna modify something, well, you have many different options, of course, but you can just click on clothes, expression, figure, effects, and you can add different effects and different stuff, okay? So this is actually fine, and it's gonna take you some credits, but it's not too bad. For example, this prompt in here, this image in here, it got some text. It says, a synthesized voice, cast through the chaos, retrieve the artifact, eliminate the weakness. Instead of just saying this, you can voice over it, okay? You can click on preview voice, and it's gonna try to say this whole thing. But I don't like this text, so I'm gonna click on remove, and I'm gonna say remove text. And now this looks amazing compared to the other one, okay? So this is great. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna click on next, I'm gonna click on animate all, okay? And I'm just gonna click on next. For these, you're gonna need a lot of credits, so keep that in mind, guys. You're gonna need like 100, a lot of credits, okay? And you're gonna have to be on a subscription. So I'm just gonna animate one for this time being, but yeah, just go to animate all when you have a subscription. So guys, this is how it looks, okay? And it looks amazing. So imagine if we added even some voiceover or some music on top, okay? And for all of the images as well. It looks amazing. Let's go to next. Now what you can do is you can add like a certain header, which is going to be some text on the top of the video or on the image. And you can select a different font, okay? You can also play with the subtitle settings to make or to select different styles. And more importantly, you can add like a background music. If you do this, I recommend you lower down the volume to like 50% or something like that, because otherwise it's going to be too much. Now let's click on generate. Of course, if you're on a premium plan, you're gonna select 180p, but I'm gonna keep it like this. I'm gonna click on generate. So after just a couple of minutes, this is how it looks. It looks actually amazing.
Neon geishas shimmer above a...
And the video has been actually 2 minutes instead of 1 minute 30. And it looks quite good. The subtitle looks fine. The animation looks fine. This looks actually very, very good. I'm very surprised. So yeah. So guys, whenever you're happy, you can just click on publish or you can just click on export. If you click on publish, it's gonna publish it to the to the main page of Magiclight. Okay, but what I want to do actually is I want to download it because this is gonna allow me to publish it on my social media like YouTube and such. Okay, so you can just click on download video. You even have the option of downloading all of the different images, so you can edit them further. But yeah, guys, that is pretty much it. If you want to try this yourself, use the link in the description. It is the best way to see if your story ideas can actually work in this format. If you create something cool, let us know and send us the video, because we love to see it, okay? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.